As you just heard, I am the chairman of PTTAC, and just a little bit about me. I've been fortunate enough to spend my entire career in the transportation industry. I did get my start in the towing industry, and moved into, upgraded, got my Class 1 license back in the early 90s, and became an over-the-road truck driver. And then from there, I expanded my career by becoming a licensed driving instructor. I took students on the road with me, mentored them, coached them on my travels back and forth between Calgary and Vancouver. And then eventually I moved off the road into a management role and into my current role as the operations manager at CCA Truck Driver Training, where I'm this year working on my 30th year there. CCA is the oldest truck training school in Alberta that runs with the original owners still today. I think that's pretty cool. I always like to throw that in there. And we are very lucky to be one of the founding members of PTTAC. And I would actually like to acknowledge our other founding members. And if we have a founding member that's in the room, I'd ask you to just stand up. We have Commercial Safety College in Nova Scotia. We have Complete School Truck Transportation in British Columbia. Fossil Creek Industrial Training in Alberta. We also have Gennaro Transport Training in Alberta. And KRTS Transportation Specialists, Caledonia, Ontario. We have Maximum Training in Saskatchewan. Northern Academy of Transport Training in Sudbury, Ontario. And we have United Transportation Driver Training in Manitoba. So one of the nice things there, you can see we have we're spread out right across the country. And, you know, that's strategic, obviously, as PTTAC is a national association. So it's great to have representation from all over. And Matt, thanks for all that you do. PTTAC also has membership groups. We have school members, we have carriers, we have associations, and we have affiliates. PTTAC also has several subcommittees that we've set up that we work through. We have a Red Seal committee, which is chaired by myself. We have an insurance committee, which is chaired by Scott Kober. I think I saw Scott. Scott's here. Scott and his team talk about all things insurance with the committee. Scott, thanks for everything and all that you do with the committee, for sure. And we have a newly formed membership committee, which is chaired by Mike Zellick. Is Mike in the room? Don't see Mike. I'm sure our members will be hearing from Mike if they haven't already. I'm sure he'll be reaching out. And also on behalf of the PTTAC executives, I'd like to say a big thank you to all of our members. Your support drives what we're doing today, and we couldn't do it without everybody's support. Thanks, everybody. It's pretty cool to watch out, as Kim was talking about, the founding members. When we decided to go down this road a few years ago, I never thought I'd be in Ontario standing in front of a bunch of people talking our stick here. It's kind of cool, and to see everybody so engaged and so interested, it's overwhelming, really. I just want to give a little shout out to Justin there. Justin, you and I have got a lot in common, less the tattoos, but your passion and your enthusiasm for the industry is addictive. And you remind me a lot of me because, you know, I started as a driver myself, and I would still be trucking today. And I would actually go back trucking. I've been in many situations where we're having meetings like this, and I say to people, so if we lost our jobs tomorrow, who'd go back driving? Show of hands, and I put my hand up, and people look at me and they say, you'd go back trucking? Are you crazy? And I said, no, I'm passionate for the industry. I would do it. However, I'd be very scared to go back and do it today, just because we see what's going on the roads. And what keeps me up at night is that if we keep thinking Red Seal is 5 years away, that means we've got 5 more years of bad drivers that are going to be out on the road. So we need to get this going sooner than later so we can start making a change now. And, moving forward, we can change the industry as we move forward, but there's some problem children behind us that we have to bring back in, and Red Seal will be a way to do that.